I've been doing a little bit of work on the Catch 110. The Pelican label was missing, so I put a strap in here for tucking your paddle in. I added I guess that's a 15 foot dog leash, heavy duty dog leash. I've been cleaning it. You can see the difference from the clean side to the dirty side, what it looked like before. Added bungees in the back, added a bungee in the front. So right now I'm just doing a real heavy cleaning on it. The little dog chew marks, I heated them with the heat gun and smoothed them out. This one needs a little bit more cleaning. There was a few more on the side. She had a big old, I think she had a Great Dane, so he had a big mouth. He was able to chew on some stuff. There's a few chew marks on here, but it's not, you know, cosmetic. But yeah, it's shaping up pretty good. I guess I should have done a before video before I started working on the bottom. This is what the scratches on the bottom look like, and this is what it looks like after I've hit it with my heat gun. I hit it with a heat gun and my roller, and yeah, all of this was all scraped like this. But I hit it with the heat gun and then I go over it with the roller. I mean, you can still see the little marks, but it's smooth now. Show you how I fixed my straps for my seats. They were actually sewn on, but what I did was I just made a loop from here down to there and then back up, and I double folded it, and I put some of this Fix-All super glue adhesive inside there, and then I squish it, and then to make the hole I use a soldering iron to melt the hole. Well, I put it through first, put the adhesive, melt it, and then I put the screw in while everything is still wet, and that's how I fixed my straps. A little scratch on the seat from the previous owner's dog, but that's how I fixed my seat straps. I mean, you can do that with any straps, really. And kayak is ready to go. I tightened up the rudder. I'll do a full overview of the thing here in a minute, but that was just to show you how I fixed my seat straps. Just treated the whole kayak with 303 UV protectant. Protect it from the sun. That thing looks brand new now. Pretty cool. Here I've got the Pelican Catch 110 HD2 with a high drive system. That's what they consider the premium Pelican. It's one of the higher end models. What I did on the front here is this is actually a really heavy duty dog leash. It's a 15-foot dog leash. I just strap it on the handle, and then I can use this for tying the boat somewhere or moving the boat. The person I bought it from had a huge dog that thought it was a chew toy, so it's got little chew marks on here. These were actually worse. I kind of heated them and pushed them back down. The Pelican plate was missing, so I put a little strap in here for tucking your paddle. Looks like it came from Austin Canoe and Kayak, which is defunct now. I added some bungees up here in the front. It had two rod holders on here, and one of them snapped off, and when I saw how cheaply it was made, I took the other one off too. The Pelican high drive system here, I did a repair on it. You'll see that in part one. Well, not actually part one, and I also did a separate video of the repairs. It's got the steering system here. It's got actually pretty good steering. It's got pretty good range. I'd like it to go a little more, but that's as far as it goes. The seat's got scratch marks from the dog. I replaced this strap, as you saw earlier in this video. What I did and how I did it. The seat strap, first tying the seat down. And what's funny about this one is the seat is not really adjustable. It just sits in one spot. I put the new bungees on here. The rudder deployment system works pretty good. This was chewed up from the dog too, but I heated it up and smoothed out all the chew marks. Bottom had normal wear on it, as you saw earlier in the video. I repaired that too, and it's a 2020, and yeah, that's the Catch 110. I don't know how well it will hold me. I weigh 220 pounds, and I've seen guys that are about my size in this kayak, and while they're sitting still, the water's right up in here. When they start pedaling, I noticed that the water did go away, which is the opposite of a hoodoo tempest. You start pedaling and the water comes up. But this is a good kayak if you're a smaller person or a girl. Here's my other pedal kayak, Hobie Revolution 11. Brand new turbo fins. I haven't even tried that one yet. I haven't tried either one of these. I'll probably go do a water test on this today, and that'll be part 3 of this video. I found a lower seat option that still keeps your butt off the bottom. This is one of those Academy Stadium seats. Don't know if anybody would be interested in that, but it fits perfect inside the Catch 110. Probably the Catch 130 also. But there's an option for a different seat with armrests and a little pocket. Here's the original seat, and check this out. The stadium seat actually fits under it. Not interfering. It doesn't feel like it's going to be touching it underneath. That's pretty cool. So you have an option for 2 seats, high and low. If you watched this far, like, subscribe, and send me $1.